Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto ThinkPhone. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings. Now enter display. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display in this menu. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change brightness level of the display manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, you can change lock screen preferences like notification style, privacy, skip lock screen, add text on lock screen, show wallet, show device controls, control from lock device, and double line clock. Then you can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Enable or disable dark theme, also schedule it. Change display size and text size. Enable or disable bold text and high contrast text. Next, you can enable or disable night light, schedule it and change its intensity. Then you can change colors. Enable or disable flicker prevention, auto rotate screen, and enable full screen mode for apps. Next, you can set screensaver. Enable or disable attentive display. Change display refresh rate between auto and 144 Hz. Enable or disable peak display. 3-finger screenshot. Swipe to split. Ready for. And you can adjust screen record preferences. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.